Namaste and welcome to Star Health's YouTube channel. I'm Shivani Kandwal, a clinical dietitian and diabetes educator. Have you been tossing and turning at night, waking up feeling tired or struggling to fall asleep? Then wait, this video is for you. Today we are diving into a topic that affects so many of us, why we are unable to sleep properly. So let's start by understanding how sleep actually works. See, sleep isn't just about closing your eyes and resting. It's a complex process that involves different stages, each playing a vital role in your overall health. And here are 4 main stages of sleep. Stage 1, light sleep. This is the transition phase where your body starts to relax. It lasts for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now the stage 2 comes, which is a deeper sleep stage. Here, your body temperature drops and your heart rate slows down. This stage lasts for 20 to 30 minutes and it is very crucial for preparing your body for deeper stages of sleep. Now the stage 3 comes, and this is also called as deep sleep stage. This is where your body gets its most restorative rest. Deep sleep is essential for muscle repair, growth, and overall physical health. It's also when your brain consolidates memories. Then comes the stage 4. It is also known as REM sleep or rapid eye movement. In REM sleep, your brain becomes more active, dreaming occurs, and your eyes move rapidly. This is the stage which is critical for emotional health and memory processing. A healthy adult typically cycles through these stages 4 to 6 times per night, with each cycle lasting about 90 minutes. So, when we say we need to have a sleep of 7 to 9 hours, it's not just about the quantity, it's actually about the quality, which means ensuring you get enough deep and REM sleep. Now, when we know about these stages, let's understand the reasons of sleep deprivation. Why you can't sleep properly. Now that we know that how sleep works, let's explore why you might be depriving yourself of proper sleep. The reason can be physical, psychological, or even related to your daily habits. But the first one is stress and anxiety. See, in today's fast-paced world, stress is a major sleep disruptor. When your mind is racing with worries and unfinished tasks, it's hard to switch off, isn't it? For example, if you're constantly worrying about your work deadlines, your body might produce more of the cortisol, which is a stress hormone that keeps you alert, which makes it harder to fall asleep. Number 2 is poor sleep environment. Your sleep environment plays a big role. If your bedroom is too bright, noisy, or uncomfortable, it can interfere with your ability to fall asleep and stay asleep. For instance, even a small amount of light from your phone or even street lights can suppress melatonin. Melatonin is a sleep hormone. So you need to take care of these things. Number 3, inconsistent sleep schedule. See, our bodies have a natural circadian rhythm, often referred to as a body clock, which is influenced by light and darkness. If you are going to bed and waking up at different times every day, it can confuse your body clock. See, for example, staying up late on weekends and sleeping late can make it harder to fall asleep on Sunday night, leading to a bad Monday, or we can call it as social jet lag. Number 4, caffeine and stimulants. Caffeine can stay into your system for up to 8 hours, so that afternoon coffee might be affecting you when you're trying to sleep at night. Even tea, chocolate, or certain medications can contain caffeine or other stimulants that disrupt your sleep. Number 5, screen time before bed. See, it's a total no-no, and I know we are all guilty of scrolling throughout our phones before bed. But the blue light emitted by screens can interfere with melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep. Studies show that 2 hours of screen time before bed can reduce melatonin levels up to 22%, which means you need to take care of this. Number 6, dietary habits. See, what you eat also impacts your sleep. A heavy meal or very spicy food close to your bedtime can cause discomfort or indigestion, making it very difficult to fall asleep. On the other hand, going to bed hungry can also keep you awake. Simple changes for better sleep. See, the good news is that improving your sleep doesn't have to be complicated. Here are some simple yet effective tips to help you get a better good night's sleep. Number 1, establish a routine. See, you really need to understand it. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekend. It helps you to regulate your body clock and improves the quality of your sleep. Number 2, create a sleep-friendly environment. As we discussed earlier, keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Invest in a blackout curtain, a comfortable mattress, and pillows that support your sleep posture. Number 3, limit screen time. Turn off electronic devices at least an hour before bed. Instead, try reading a book, listening to soothing music, or practicing relaxation techniques. It does help a lot. Number 4, please watch your diet. Avoid heavy or spicy meals close to the bedtime. If you're hungry, opt for a light snack like a banana or small bowl of oatmeal or some cashews, because these can help you boost serotonin levels and increase the melatonin in body, which means promoting healthy sleep. Number 5, reduce caffeine intake. Try to cut off caffeine early afternoon. If you are sensitive to caffeine, even morning coffee can affect your sleep. Consider herbal teas or decaffeinated options instead. Number 6, incorporate relaxing techniques. Practice deep breathing exercise, meditation, or gentle yoga to calm your mind before bed. Studies show that mindfulness meditation can improve sleep quality and reduce symptoms of insomnia. Number 7, get some sunlight during the day. Trust me, exposure of natural sunlight during the day helps regulate your circadian rhythm, making it easier to fall asleep at night. Aim for at least around 15 to 30 minutes of sunlight exposure in the morning for a better good night's sleep. Number 8, be mindful of your naps. See, while naps can be really beneficial, but long and late afternoon naps can interfere with your nighttime sleep. If you need to take a nap, try to take it under 30 minutes or before 3 p.m. Remember, sleep is as essential as food and water for your health. By understanding how sleep works, recognizing what might be keeping you awake, and making some simple changes, you can see great improvement in your sleep quality. Give these tips a try and you'll be on your way to better, more restful nights. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier lifestyle. Sweet dreams and see you next time.